But one farmer says, seems to me there was a tea party in Boston that was illegal too.
I have directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold.
We shall seek to establish and maintain a dollar which will not change its purchasing and debt-paying power during the succeeding generation.
As anguished shrieks rose up from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.
Government credit and government currency are really one and the same thing. A reserve of gold and a small reserve of silver.
Why do central banks hold it?
Well, it's a form of reserves.
Why don't they hold diamonds?
Well, it's tradition, long-term tradition.
Well, some people still think it's money.
Welcome back to the Junius Maltby channel for a quick, brief news installment for today, this Sunday afternoon. We're seeing gold prices open in the Asian markets already exploding up $30 an ounce. We're seeing gold hitting highs of $1,585, surpassing the 1580 mark, and already hitting valuations that were predicted in the last month by some financial analysts as being possibilities coming into the year 2020. But here we are, only not even a week into the year with these levels being reached. Obviously, these are a result likely of recent geopolitical risks and tensions rising in the Middle East with what's taking place in the Iran-Iraq U.S. Debacle. This morning, the news showed that Iraq Parliament voted to expel U.S. troops from Iraq. We've also seen an attack on U.S. service members and contractors in Kenya. So again, there are tensions rising, and with that, we're seeing gold assume that role as a safe haven asset with investors fleeing to it, and a lot of that buying taking place right now as we speak, currently in Asia. It'll be very interesting to see what takes place tomorrow on Monday when the U.S. markets open and when New York wakes up and has to compete with the foreign market in buying gold, and the phone calls are made between the banks. So again, real quick, brief news announcement: gold surpassing $1,580, up $30 this evening in the Asian markets. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to watch the more extensive videos on the gold outlook forecast we did a couple videos ago, and the video out earlier today asking where have all the gold bears gone. We cover a lot of the articles and prognostications of the gold bears over the last several years, over the last decade. How many individuals predicted that gold prices would collapse below not only the $1,000 mark, but reach levels of $250 or $300? Just ridiculous notions, ridiculous numbers. And we cover that extensively. So go ahead and go back, check that video out. It's a little bit longer than this one will be. All right, appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for being part of the Junius Maltby channel.